To the moon and back, we had a love like that. Why do I feel like that's slowly fading? We used to be friends, that was way back when. You and I, we were a slow burn, baby. Oh, we were young, so damn naive. Looked at the world through rose-colored glasses. You had your goals, then you met me. Did you let those dreams pass you by? I would never blame you if you left. No, I won't be the one to hold you back. 'Cause we can stop the time, it's just a fact. We're not getting younger, we're not getting younger. In the bed we made, I lay wide awake, but I keep losing myself in these daydreams. You're right next to me, I can hear you sleep, but I know you're not dreaming of me. Oh, we were young, so damn naive. Looked at the world through rose-colored glasses. You had your goals, then you met me. Did you let those dreams pass you by? I would never blame you if you left. No, I won't be the one to hold you back. 'Cause we can stop the time, it's just a fact. We're not getting younger, we're not getting younger. I would never blame you if you left. No, I won't be the one to hold you back. 'Cause we can stop the time, it's just a fact. We're not getting younger, we're not getting younger, we're not getting younger.
So as you can see from the Shibuya crossing, there are 3 main cafes that are good points to watch the people cross the road. So the last time we did a Hoshino coffee, and that was good. And just a few nights ago we did it at Starbucks Coffee. That was okay. It wasn't as nice an ambience as Hoshino. And so today we are at this L'Occitane Cafe, which is on the 2nd floor. So they have 2nd and 3rd floor. Third floor is a slightly better view, but unfortunately we could only get seats at the 2nd floor. So we have the dessert set together with the coffee. What is it?
I just had 2 fruits of
But you started eating without me. Yeah, so we are here to just people watch. It's always very nice to see a lot of people do this crossing, which is the iconic scene, right? In most Tokyo shows. So we tend to like to come here, and I really like Shibuya. Shibuya is one of my favorite places in Tokyo.
I think post-pandemic it's really good to be able to travel. Having been here many years ago, I think it's such a nice feeling to be back. Also a bit emotional to be able to experience this again. So really enjoying ourselves this trip. Enjoying of course dessert right now. I'm gonna try the cake firstly. Or she's gonna try that chocolate gâteau. How you like it?
It's normal dessert. I mean, it's okay.
I think we're here more for the view and just the ambience of the cafe, so it's very nice, very pleasant. A bit pricey, but yeah, I guess it's just worth the view.
I could lie wide awake and leave my head up in space. Countless nights and days when you are far away, and I know that it's hard. won't hide.